If you need to turn off two-factor authentication for your Bank of America account, follow these steps carefully. This process will guide you through disabling the security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. In the Settings menu, locate the Security or Two-Factor Authentication section. This is where you can manage your authentication preferences. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Select the option to disable or turn off two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to confirm your decision, so follow any on-screen instructions to proceed. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling the feature, you should receive a confirmation message. Make sure to log out and log back in to ensure that the changes have taken effect. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off two-factor authentication on your Bank of America account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and regular monitoring.